I've been here a couple of days, comparable to one of the best in the world that I've seen. So groceries, 100 per week, 400 per month. Transport, 30 euros per month. Okay, what are the other expenses? Rent. Let's segment this. Rent for single person with partner, and then maybe 2 kids. So how will be the rent for that?
Okay, the cheapest way is to share a house.
Hi everyone, we're with Valerie from Pick a Pick. We're here in Barcelona. She's the expert here in Barcelona. Everything you need to know about it. She's your person, she's your guy. So hi Valerie, it's an honor to have you here.
Hi guys, very nice meeting you. Hope you love Barcelona.
Yeah, it's a very good experience, and I've been watching your videos also in Barcelona, and it begs me to question how's life here from a personal finance point of view. You've been living here for how long already?
I have been living here since 2008. I'm originally from Argentina, but the economical situation in Argentina is still not good.
Okay.
It's really bad, so I decided to move here because my grandfather is from here and my grandma from Italy. And so now I love Barcelona. It's really beautiful city, and I already told you that this is one of the countries with the lowest salaries in Europe, but still we have a great quality of life.
Got it. Now, I want to start it from this. From Argentina to Spain. Of course, cost of living in Argentina and Spain is different also. Biggest adjustment in spending from Argentina to Spain?
The culture is more or less the same.
Okay.
But here we use the euro.
Okay.
In Argentina we use the peso or the dollar. In Argentina it has a lot of inflation.
Okay.
Like this year maybe 100%.
Whoa, wow.
Or maybe now with the crisis 8% per year.
Okay.
So you can save money and still have something at the end of the year. In Argentina you have to change it to dollar, not in pesos.
Okay.
Okay, and here you can keep the money also in the bank, because in Argentina we had a huge crisis in 2001.
Okay.
All the banks got all the money from the people.
Okay, wow.
So now anyone wants to put the money in the bank.
Okay.
So here I feel safe putting the money in the bank.
So that's another use case for Bitcoin. You can store your own money by yourself. Anyways, I want to ask this question. So you mentioned that salaries here in Spain is one of the most lowest in Europe. So how do you get by with your spending, or at least your budget on a monthly basis also, since salaries are lower here?
Well, salaries are very low compared to the rest of Europe. Also the quality of life here, we don't need so much money.
Okay.
Okay. Life in Spain is very relaxed. We like going out every day, have a glass of beer, have a glass of wine, and we don't care about working. No, we just want to cut at 3 p.m.
Okay.
and go to the beach and have fun. So I think people in Spain prefer more to be happy than to have a lot of money compared to the US, for example.
Okay.
Our lowest salary could be for 8 hours like 1,000, 1,200, maybe 900 as well.
What's a typical grocery expense also for you on a monthly basis, and also how much do you spend for metro? Is it also very expensive? Because I don't know if
No, it's not expensive. That's the point. It's very cheap.
I don't know if I'm doing it right. When I would eat, normally I spend 15 to 20 or 25. Is that? Yeah. So is
Yeah,
that?
15 is okay.
Okay. So that's not. That's okay. That's okay. Okay.
Well, I like eating very healthy.
Okay.
That's a little bit more expensive than if you just go to a normal supermarket. So I spend for two 100 euros per week.
Okay.
But you can do maybe less than that.
The 100 euros, that's enough already for everything. Toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, everything. Oh, okay.
400 euros.
Okay.
And maybe for some people it is too much. Maybe some people live with 200, 300.
Oh, okay. That's in Barcelona, or that can, if you go farther, it's cheaper.
Farther is cheaper. If you move away from Barcelona and Madrid are the most expensive cities in Spain.
Okay.
If you go to the south, for example, or to the north or whatever, prices are completely different. They are super low, super cheap.
Okay. Transport.
Okay, transport. I just spend 50 euros per year in transport.
50? What?
50. Because I move by bike, I can be anywhere in 15 minutes.
Okay.
But if not, if you want to use the metro,
That's the red bikes, right?
Yes, the red
Oh,
If you want to use the metro, the car, 10 trips are 11 euros.
okay. Okay, okay.
And if you are going to travel by metro every day because you have to go to work, it's 40 euros.
Okay, per month.
Yes. And the public transportation, at least in Barcelona, is 10 points.
I've been here a couple of days, but comparable to one of the best in the world that I've seen. So groceries, 100 per week, 400 per month. Transport, 30 euros per month. Okay, what are the other expenses? Rent. Let's segment this. Rent for single person with partner, and then maybe 2 kids. So how will be the rent for
Okay. The cheapest way is to share a house.
Okay.
If you share a house, you can find in Barcelona city center, you can find the rooms for around 400, 500 euros.
Okay.
You can find even more expensive ones and maybe cheaper ones. But
Okay.
around 400. If you don't want to share and if you are a couple, then 800 minimum. 800, 900, 1000.
Okay. With kids, maybe 2 bedrooms.
That is 2 bedroom.
Oh,
I
that's
would
2 bedroom
say.
already. Oh, okay.
Yes, I would say.
Oh.
Maybe if you want, I don't know, 1,300 if you want to have a park with, a condominium.
Okay.
Swimming pool with some green
Okay.
areas.
So what I've been seeing, Idealista, very expensive. 2,000, 3,000. That's very.
We're
What's
looking for temporary.
Okay.
2,000 at least. Temporary is at least 1 month.
Okay.
Up
Okay.
to 2 years.
Then but longer.
Now, if I live here, I need a 5-year.
That's why cheap. That's why cheaper. Any expenses that people need to consider here in Barcelona, or at
Yes.
least from your perspective, Valerie, super rich person, teaching you how she saves.
Well, both public and private medical insurance.
Okay.
Okay, the public is really good.
Okay.
So you don't need to spend any money, but if you also want to have the private one, you can get them for 40 or 50 euros per month.
Okay. Okay, got it. So 15 years here in Barcelona.
Yeah.
Does it hurt your budget or nice life, but you still, in terms of finances, very, very okay?
I'm okay because I have a good salary. Good salary could be 1,200 is like the minimum. If you are a couple and you get 2 salaries together, then that is even better.
Okay.
And if you have good career, you can have access to better jobs. So if you are doing well, you can. I think the first thing that you can do is to save money. That is something that's when you earn so little, it's hard. But even if you earn the lowest salary, at least it's really easy and very affordable to travel all around Europe and Asia as well. So you can have a good life here with your friends. It's not expensive and you can travel. If you have a job for at least 1 year, you can have access to buy your own house.
Got it, got it. The next video, we're gonna go to Sagrada. We're gonna talk about how she saves, personal finance stuff with Valerie. If you want to know more about her, links are down below in the description. So thanks, Valerie.
Thank you. Bye bye.